My police intel has told me that a few cases that the Green Goblin order his office to move forward with has no gun, no DNA, and in many cases of shooting and murders, there is many different spent shell, no witness, and yet still one person is charged with it that you can't even ID him. So they need to look into some of these cases of the Green Goblin. That's what my police intel has told me.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. Great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Now I want to big up some people. Nanny, Mama, big up yourself. You understand? Now, I want to big up editor, Mad Ed. Editor, big up yourself. You understand? Now, I want to big up some of my bridging them in St. Lucia, Jamaica, Trinidad, and last but not least, Canada. Now, with that said, I want to talk about the Green Goblin today. And I want to talk about Iron Pum Pum Miss Germs. Because, yo, me have to break it down to the people them. And let me tell you something. Poor people blood clot, fed up, and them frustrated. But before me start that, you what me I do? Me I send big shout out to the St. Lucia police force. You understand? Me want the police them know say me there for work with uno. We know we have some bad one in there. You understand? But the good one them ought to be the bad. And countryman there for uno. So me want big up the police them in a St. Lucia. Coming straight from my heart. You understand? From countryman heart. Up. Mad Ed Police. Big up. Well, today, guys and gals, we're gonna be talking about Iron Pussy and the Green Goblin. Now, I've heard that certain police, and I can't say from major crime, wants to speak to me. Now, the only people I'm speaking to, or will speak to, I'm not changing that, is the police commissioner, the Right Honorable Miss Lady, I can't remember her name off the top of my head. I will speak to the Honorable Police Commissioner, and I'll speak to the most honorable, decent person, decent man, you understand, the National Security Minister. Those are the two people that I will speak with. Now, with that said, let's go. Now, I want y'all listen to me. This man has paraded, masqueraded, and disguised himself under the hand of justice, I want you guys to understand that. He willfully, meticulously instructed his office to prosecute murder cases with lack of evidence. You hear me? Now, a lot of these cases are gone past the amount of time they should be in the court without a hearing. So basically, constitutional rights violation. Now, many of these cases, witnesses are threatened about testifying, and even in some of the cases, witness are, I'm going to use the word, bribed in some cases, believe it or not. I want y'all to hear me, quote unquote, fake witnesses. No chance, for people who's charged to present their alibi. Now, the reason why most of these people are in the situation is because this pussy, what them call blood clot green goblin, they run the prosecutor office. He is friend and he is in cohort with his colleague, and those people are adversaries of his colleague and his cohort. I know this might seem really hard to believe, but what I'm speaking is facts, and everybody in St. Lucia knows this, but they're afraid to talk. It's ironic, them shot a female judge over there in St. Lucia, and this female judge is from Jamaica. Now, this judge is not down with all the crap, the gangsters, and she was in St. Lucia handing out justice, and she's a female judge from Jamaica. And for some weird reason, this young lady, or this judge, Madam Justice, she was shot. Okay? So that's what I'm talking about. Now, I know people are gonna say, yo, why listen to Countryman? He's not from St. Lucia, he doesn't live there. But one thing I know, hair follicle doesn't lie. You understand? Give the green goblin a blood test. Let me say it again. Hair follicles don't lie. So give the green goblin a blood test. Now, the goblin, he lives in the hood, right next from guess who? Iron Pussy. I don't know whose boss is, if it's the National Security Minister, but I still say this guy, the goblin, should get a hair follicle test. The cases that he have where people are framed and suffering, especially poor people, those things needs to be reviewed at the highest level. No, these people are suffering at the hands of Green Goblin G.I. Joe. And when I say G.I. Joe, I mean the G.I. Joe that goes by the name as Prosper. You understand? Planting witness and planting evidence, and definitely violation of people constitutional rights. I want to know what the fuck is going on in the small island of St. Lucia. Now, if people who live in St. Lucia tell me that shit is normal, something is wrong. Now, I mentioned this earlier. I heard certain people want to talk to me, but the only person I'm going to talk to is the police commissioner or the national security minister. You understand? As far as I feel, we need to get Green Goblin out, and people need real justice in that country, not from, pardon my bumbleclot language, from a fucking psycho addict. Straight. Now, as far as Miss Iron Pum Pum go, she me depend right now. Now, Miss Germs, she is one of the most unique gangster down there to rascal. Real bottom feeder. You understand? No care what you do, baby. You're not gonna be no top bottom feeder. You're a real bottom feeder. Now, she talk about she's on peace. And it's ironic that she's advocating for peace, but she's aligned with gangsters. As a matter of fact, everybody knows she live with a gangster. You understand? Now, she knowingly, purposely, and definitely menacing society. You understand? With every day, collecting the spoils of her crime from the government of St. Lucia by disguising it like things like safe space. Now, I want the government of St. Lucia to explain that to me. Now, I heard something about her that she flew to the Dominica Republic and went and did a BBL. So what a BBL is you take fat, it's plastic surgery, and pretty much it's get your ass big. So she take fat from one place and pump it in another place. That's what I understand a BBL is. So it's full body plastic surgery, pump up your tits, your pumps, whatever. You understand? Now, I said one thing earlier, I'm want to make this clear. You understand? Everybody know where she live. She live at the bottom of the hill by Lee, and she live with a gangster. Now, you see, for her house, it is used as a stash house. You understand? It's a gangster hangout, and our house is used as a stash house. So I want people to know them thing about Iron Pum Pum. Now, who live at the house? She, her daughter, and her gay son, and son-in-law, amigo. You understand? And like me say, it's a headquarters for the Doom Squad. She is the leader of the Doom Squad. When will this stop? You understand? When the police them are going to put a stop to this. Now, she can manipulate and she can't do anything to make it look like she's trying to create peace. She can do whatever she want to do. But this needs to stop. We need to put an end to Iron Pum Pum. You understand? Now, I want to talk about something else. Now, I don't know if Paned know this, but you know Iron Pum Pum used to hang out with a lesbian girl named Edge. You understand? And she used to sleep with the girl. And she and the girl used to do crime. I am not making all this thing up, These things is out there. People already know what's going on. She used to deal with the lesbian, and she and the lesbian girl, them used to F-U-C-K. And them used to go out there, and them used to do crime, and do all kind of things. You understand? So hear what me I say, Miss Germs. The lesbian couldn't make the grade, so you draw upon it. Eh? Now, you see the bar we wanna have at the bottom of the CDC. You can't fool nobody with it. We know exactly what's going on there. And me I go talk about that in some other video. But for right now, this video right here is about you, Miss Germs, and the Green Goblin. And we are trying to bring justice to St. Lucia. Whole heap of poor people are suffer. You understand? Listen, stay tuned for the next video. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.